Well, as the conflict with Iran stretches on, many American voters are increasingly questioning whether President Donald Trump has a clear strategy or not, and whether his administration is delivering on its stated goals. According to a recent Politico poll, public support for military action remains limited, with just 38% of Americans backing the strikes. That figure has changed little since the immediate aftermath of the joint US-Israel operations, despite weeks of efforts by the administration to make its case. A majority of respondents say the conflict does not serve the interests of the American people, and many remain uncertain about the administration's goals, including a notable share of Trump supporters. Now, the survey also points to concerns about priorities. Nearly half of those polls say that the president has focused too heavily on international issues rather than domestic matters, including 29% of his own voters. Now, the polling data shows that 41% of Americans believe that the president does not have a clear plan to resolve the conflict, while 27% say that the president does have a plan. At the same time, a distinct 15%, they say that they do not believe there is a clear plan, but still trust that his actions will ultimately resolve the conflict. Among Trump supporters, backing for the war continues, though not without reservations. More than a third say that he lacks a clear plan, even as many express confidence in the eventual outcome. Nearly half think that he hasn't reached his goals yet, but he will. Their answers show confidence in him, and only 15% say that he has already achieved his war goals, while 25% believe that he will, though he hasn't so far. The recent moves to increase pressure on Iran, including a blockade of key ports, this has raised concerns about further strain on global energy prices. At the same time, the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz to commercial traffic has provided some relief, contributing to a drop in oil prices. Over the past 6 weeks, most Republicans in Congress have supported President Trump as he escalated military action in Iran without congressional approval. That backing could soon be tested as the conflict nears the 60-day limit, when legal restrictions on unilateral military action take effect. Under the War Powers Act of 1973, presidents must end military operations within 60 days unless Congress authorizes force or declares war. A one-time 30-day extension is allowed only if the president certifies in writing that additional time is needed for a safe withdrawal of U.S. forces. So far, Congress has not approved any authorization for military action in Iran.